Okay, now I will model our homework assignment for lesson 1.1, model place value relationships. So let's look here at number 1 right here. We have the number, it says the directions say, find the value of the underlying digit. Number 1 says 6,035. The underlying digit is the 3. So a way to solve this is if we use a place value chart. So let's look at the number. So first of all, I can start by writing here my number, 6,035. Now, the underlying number is the 3. And so I need to find the place value of that digit. Remember, the digit is the number 0 to 9 in a number or part of the number. Okay, so let's write down, or I'm going to write down my number on the place value chart. So I'm going to start with the 5 in the ones place, the 3 in the tens place, the 0 in the hundreds place, and the 6 in the thousands place. Now, the underlying digit is 3. And if I look up here, it's under the tens place. So that means I have 3 tens. Now, I know that I have 3 tens. So if I were to draw this using my drawing tools or my little shapes or base 10 blocks to represent them, we came up with our notes that we can do lines. So these are 3 tens. After I draw my 3 tens, they're all 10. So that means they're a group of tens. So that means I can count by tens. So then I'll go 10, 20, 30. Oh, the place value of the 3 is 30 because I have 3 tens and that's 30. So then I would put here in my line that this is, that this is 30. So 30 is the value of the underlying digit. Okay, let's look at number 9. So let me erase this because we'll be using this in a bit. And so number 9 says here, compare the values of the underlying digits. We have 6,300 and 530. And then we have some fill-ins. It says the value of 3 in blank is blank times the value of 3 in blank. So let's insert 2 place value charts so we can compare both numbers. So I'm going to write down those 2 numbers in these place value charts. So I'll start, let me align them. Okay, it seems that they're aligned. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first one, which is 6,300. So I know that I have 0 ones in that number, 0 tens, I have 300s and 6,000s. On the next number is 530. I have 0 ones, 3 tens, and 500s. And now the digits that we are comparing are the 3s. So this one and this one. Now, it says the value of 3 in blank is blank times the value of 3 in blank. So something about this is that as you move to the left, it's 10 times bigger. Think of it of every time you go to the left, you're multiplying 10 by 10 times. So as you go to the left, you're multiplying by 10. So to answer and fill in that, you are going to write in here, let me zoom in. You will write the value of 3 in the numbers. Oops, let me make it smaller, guys. 6,300 is 10 times the value of 3 in 530. Again, think as you go to the left, the value is increased or multiplied by 10 or is 10 times larger. Okay? Okay, let's look at the problem solving real world. So for this one, it says we need to use the table for 13 to 14. So both problems you're going to have to use the table. So I'll just get you started and you can finish it, okay? Number 13 says, what is the value of the digit 9 in the attendance at the Chargers versus Titans game? So you're going to go look for where it says Chargers and Titans game. So it's right here. And so you're going to look at that number. It's 69,143. So that's the number you're going to use, and you're going to look at the 9 and write down what is the value of that digit, the digit 9. Number 14, it says the attendance at which game has a 7 in the 10,000s place. So you're going to look for the number that has a 7 in the 10,000s place. So you're going to look for that. Which game was that? Okay. On the back page of your homework page, or this assignment right here, is a lesson check. So here we have a problem again. So number 1 says during one season, a total of 453,193 people attended a baseball team's games. What is the value of the digit 5 in the number of people? So again, pay close attention to that 5. You're trying to figure out what's the place value of that 5. Number 2, Hal forgot the number of people at the basketball game. He does remember that the number had 4 digits. So they're telling you there it had 4 digits. And 3 in the tens place. Write a number that Hal could be thinking of. So remember, you're going to have a number with 4 digits. That means 4 numbers. And there is a 3 in the tens place. So you're going to write a number that Hal might be thinking of. For the spiral review, this is things you've done before. So this one, you should be able to review it and kind of know what to do. So try to do it. I won't go over it right now because it's review. And it says, if you notice here, it has the 3-point, it has the 3-point NBT. That means it's a 3rd grade standard. So you learned this in 3rd grade. So you're going to try it on your own, this one. Okay. So that was a review or an explanation on how to do this assignment. Okay. Thank you.